ideas was ever born in a conference, but a lot of foolish ideas have died here. I wish you all the very best for your presentation.
I would like to talk about an issue which will be of relevance especially to those who are involved with historical research.
How qualitative research can be conducted under the new normal.
First time I am attending any conference. Experience is very new for me, and I gather a lot of knowledge from a different part of the country. The people are attending here, and I would like to thankful to GCBSS that they give me the opportunity to present here.
Thank you very, very much for making everything easier, especially during this challenging time. GCBSS has done such a wonderful work that even COVID-19 and pandemic cannot stop us from getting together. So thank you very much to GCBSS and the entire committee.
For this time, this is my first time to, for sure I will suggest to my colleague to apply if they want to share or like a journal publication for the next time. For sure I will suggest to my colleague too.
This is my second time, so I get the opportunity to present, to meet a lot of friends, meet a lot of experts, and to listen to the international preliminary speakers, which is very good. We have the opportunity to learn new research area.
Through this particular conference as well, I've known many authors from different countries, especially during my first experience during the first GCBSS. Up to today, all right, the participants from the first GCBSS still keep in touch with me, and we are still in collaboration for other publication as well. So I think that this is a very good platform for all of us to learn from each other.
Thank you to this interesting conference. I'm actually very glad to be a part of this interesting conference. It was a great experience for me. Thank you.
This is my first time in GCBSS. Okay. So far throughout my entire, from the point I've registered until today, this afternoon, I think so far everything went well. Okay, well done to the committee. Thank you.
I'm going to share my 39 years of experience in the academia.
Essentially, research is nothing else but the pursuit of excellence. I would like to join her in congratulating the people who have received an award during the conference. I would also like to thank, of course, Professor Kassan Pirsada. He has always been not just the founder, but also the soul and the heart and the motivator, which made sure that this conference would become a meaningful event for many researchers around the world. I hope that all of you who have attended the 12th conference will want to come to the 13th conference on business and social sciences, because I definitely want to be there, because I want to see all of you in person, to congratulate you on a sterling job and to encourage you to do even better. Have a nice trip back home, be safe, enjoy your research, and importantly, see you in 2022.